Hello, this is a short video showing you how to set up assignments on Moodle. When you set up an assignment on Moodle, this means that the student is able to submit the assignment and you're able to mark it and give them feedback on Moodle. You can also record their marks and grades on it here. So to set up an assignment, you go to the top right hand corner of your Moodle page and click on Turn Editing On. Once editing is on, you can add resources to your page. So I have a section on this Moodle page called Assessments and Assignments, and all of the assessments for this course are here on this section. Now, as normal, you can hide assessments, so you can have all your assessments set up and then just add them as you or unhide them as you need to. So to add a new assignment, you go to the end of the section, click on Add an Activity or Resource, click on Assignment, then put in the assignment name. So put in a title for your assignment. Sometimes you put in what it's worth. I always think this helps if they think that they're going to get some marks for it. I would also put in the due date on the description. I would highlight it, and then you have to tick Display Description on Course Page. You can add some instructions if you wish. And then if you have a brief, you can put it in here if you wish to. So if you want to put the brief in, you open File Manager and you drag the appropriate file in. So allow submissions from. So if this is enabled, the student will not be able to put a submission in before this date. So if I set it to be the 9th of November, it's typically the date that you give them the assignment. So they will only be able to look or submit something to this assignment on this date. The due date has to be after the assignment date. So down here we have feedback types. So I would allow feedback comments. I would write on the PDF, which you can do using your laptop if you have a pen. I would give them feedback files. And this is where they get a file at the end with their feedback on it. The grade to be a point and their maximum grade to be the number of marks that they can get. So I would leave everything else blank except for plagiarism. I wouldn't enable the plagiarism plugin. After you've finished, you do save and return to course. Okay, it was giving me an error there. Remind me to grade by date cannot be earlier than the due date. So I'm actually going to disable the remind me to grade by, but generally it will be after the date that they are due to put in the assignment. So once you have no other messages, then you can click on Save and Return to Course.